Alright, this is the position for welding all the structures. So all these roof structures and beam structures are welding from here. Then all automatic production line zero. This is all the production situation for the order you have. And then come to this part is for painting. This is a painting room with all our painting was inside. A column for the container house after painting. Here all these drawings. Here is the production line for all the wall panels. This equipment come here to make it sandwich panel inside. And,